again, a very good morning from Kanyakumari. We are now into day 4. Actually, I didn't have proper sleep since the ride started. But yesterday, I slept really well. I think I slept around 7 to 8 hours. So today, if everything goes well, I'm gonna explore one temple and one waterfall and any beautiful spots on the way. I know I would run a bit late today. Right now time is almost 9 a.m. I just woke up and freshen up. And I'm gonna step out in sometime maybe 10-15 minutes. I'll have breakfast somewhere on the way and we'll just head towards either temple or the waterfall. Anyway, let's get going. Finally, I'm out on the road going to have breakfast. Hotel is 950 meters away. Oh yeah. I have forgotten my glasses. I have to go back to hotel. Anyway, once I'm done with the breakfast, I'll go and collect them. It is here. Take a right turn. Hotel Gauri Shankar. I'm just done with the breakfast and I'm heading towards one dam. Sorry, I forgot its name. So today we are gonna cover 3 places. One dam, one waterfall, and another one is a reservoir. Let's get out of this town first. It's getting a bit hotter. There's a beautiful view. Very big mountains. Our first destination is Mukkadal Dam, which is around 8 kilometers from this point. Oh, what a beautiful mountain that is. It's actually not just one mountain. You see the series of mountains. It's like sine wave. The mesmerizing nature. Aha. Super view. What a beautiful place. This looks like not looks like, actually this is a coconut farm. It's very greenery, very beautiful place. See this. And the best part is this, a small passing canal. The water is so clear. See that. The pure village smell. I don't know if the dam is open or it's closed. Let's go and find it out. Anna, open irka? Illa. What is this? Nice. That's interesting. That's interesting. Very, very interesting. But what a beautiful view this is. Mukkadal Dam. Mukkadal Dam is closed. Alright, our next destination is Tiruparapu Waterfalls, which is 31 kilometers from this point. Let's get going. So from Mukkadal Dam, the waterfall is 30-31 kilometers. I'll leave about the waterfall. Just see how beautiful this is to ride. Nice. When we were in childhood, we used to play in this kind of small canals. Life used to be so good when we were kids. No tensions, no responsibilities. I am just loving this. What a beautiful stream this is. There I am not able to resist myself from touching that water. It is so clean. Thanks to these villages. And guys, in case you come to Kanyakumari or Nagarcoil, please don't miss this. It's more than worth coming here. You leave about the waterfall. I don't know how that's gonna look, but I'm talking about this ride. This is beautiful, very beautiful, amazing, super amazing. I've stopped again. More 23 kilometers to go to the waterfall. Believe me, this place, this entire region is very, very beautiful. And we can go to the waterfall in two ways. One is this straight road and another one is this. This looks like less traveled. I don't see many people going this side, so let's try this out. Oh, banana farm. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Honestly, I don't know. Kanyakumari has a lot of beautiful places to offer. Beautiful. What a pathway this is. Just amazing pathway. Abba, tammudu sachina road aithe chandalangu unnadi ida. My back has been aching since yesterday. Maybe because of this kind of roads. Na side kudunga. Thank you. More 9.5 kilometers, 20 minutes it's showing. So I'm sure road is not great. And time is 11:15. Perfect time to play in waterfall. Actually, I'm not carrying any spare set of clothes. So in case if swimming is allowed in the waterfall, I'm gonna ride back with wet clothes. I think this is the entry to the waterfall. Anna, close Anna? Okay. ओके हाँ अच्छा ओके थैंक्स अन्ना let's move okay waterfall is closed but there is a dam, that's what he mentioned, so I think this is it. I'm just roaming around. Small temple. But we have to cross this stream. This is very nice. That's a bridge which we have to cross. And I think that's a dam that he mentioned. We found the way to the bridge. See this. It's beautiful, isn't it? Wow. It's so silent. Bridge దొరికింది. A beautiful pathway. And that water is so clean. Actually there is one boating facility as well, but we can't expect much in this crisis. Obviously it's closed. At least if I can get there, that will be really amazing. How to go there, I'm just searching for a way.
వాటర్ని చూస్తే మాత్రం నాకు ఇప్పుడే తాగాలనిపిస్తుంది, అంత నీట్గా ఉన్నాయి. I wanna spend some time here. What a stunning place this is. This is Tirupurapu. In case you come here, you can cover waterfall. Right now waterfall is closed, but at least you can cover this small dam and this beautiful thing. What a crystal clear water. I've been here for more than 1.5 hours. Still I don't like to leave this place. I don't know, maybe I think more 1 hour I'll be here. This place is so peaceful here. Way away from cities, highways, all that stuff. So peaceful. So anyway, we have only 2 places to cover today. This is one, and another one is a reservoir that we'll be going post lunch. Alright, I think that's where the waterfall is. I don't know if we can reach till that point, but let's give it a try. It's beautiful. I think this place alone can take 1 full day. What a place, yeah, what a place this is. It's hard to leave this place. Anyway, we have to leave. So we are done with this place. It's time to have lunch and head towards another place. Alright. They are having fun. Actually, there's a group of 20 people. Okay, now we are heading to Pechiparai Reservoir, which is 14 kilometers from this waterfall. And in case if I spot any good restaurants on the way, I'll have lunch. Otherwise, I'll have lunch a bit late, directly in Nagarcoil, maybe around 3 or 4 p.m. Okay, let's get going. Hopefully the reservoir is opened. You see these trees, how lean, how curvy these trees are. It feels so nice. I think I'm the only lonely soul riding here. Hopefully this is not leading me to any dead end. It's amazing, isn't it? But let's see if this side we can go. Yeah, there is some way. Let's go get this explored. There are some bikes, means people might be here. Yes, at least I'm able to see. Wow, yeah, it's too beautiful. Bro, which side is the reservoir? Reservoir. Straight, huh? Okay. College students or school students?
College students.
Okay.
You from?
I'm from Hyderabad. Yeah.
Super.
Carry on. Pin drop silence. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Wow. Can you believe this? Seriously? My goodness. What a relaxing place this is. I can't believe my eyes. Can you? Let's check this out. I'm gonna turn the camera, okay? Not enough? Okay, I'm gonna change the lens now. Alright, now let's check this beautiful place. మొత్తం కొండల మధ్యలో చిన్న లేక్, చిన్నది కాదు పెద్ద లేక్, అంత బ్యూటిఫుల్ అంటే ఈ కెమెరాలో నేనైతే చూపించలేకపోతాను. యూ హ్యావ్ టు విట్నెస్ దిస్ ఇన్ రియల్. ఓకే, లెట్ మీ గివ్ మై ట్రై. What a very big hill, so beautiful. Yes, this is our seat now. Let's occupy this. Water is again crystal clear, boys. Aha, what a place. వాటర్లో స్నేక్స్ లాంటివి లేకపోతే హ్యాపీ. బా, జన్మ ధన్యమైందబ్బా ఈ ప్లేస్తోనే. ఎంత సూపర్ ఉందంటే, మై ఫ్రెండ్ సజన్, ఐ హ్యావ్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్పెక్టేషన్స్ ఆన్ యువర్ మ్యారేజ్. ఓకే, please get married soon so that I can come back to Kanyakumari again and I can try visiting these places. All right, please do that first. Okay, well, come on man, you're already 30 years old. Get married soon. All right. This much big rocks inside, so can't able to stand properly. What a place this is, amazing. You should try this too. Water is so clear, like filter water. Beautiful place, right? Don't miss it. Come here. And adding to this beauty, you see up there the white milky clouds. Oh, wow, దొరికింది one perfect one. See this? Let's see where I can throw this. Yeah, yes. Oh, that's big. I think it took 10 steps. Okay, finally we are done with this place. I spent I think 2 hours here, so it's time to leave. I think time is now almost 3 p.m. If I were to come Kanyakumari once again in my life, this place wouldn't miss out from my plan. I promise. I don't want to leave this place. It's so beautiful. Alright, let's go. I'm gonna see you at hotel. I'm back in hotel. Time is 4:30 p.m. and I'm here to have lunch, so I'm gonna step out in a while and I'll talk to you again. And if you're watching this video, means I am back home safely. I'm still alive, guys. Still continuing. Just that I don't know